Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very easy border in just 2 rows. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm going to attach my yarn, lock it in place, and that will take the place of the first chain. Now chain 2, and that takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1. In that same stitch, make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. And that is my first V-stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now you're going to continue that across the row. Skip 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch, double, chain 1, and a double. Like that, a V-stitch in every 3rd stitch. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly work to the corner. Now I'm at my corner, and if I didn't have 2 stitches to skip, then over here I would have just skipped 1 stitch. So as you approach a corner, you're going to adjust your stitches so that you will end with a V-stitch in the corner. So make my last V-stitch here on this side. And I'll begin working down the other side. And because these are double crochet, that is equivalent to 2 stitches. So my first V-stitch down this side is going to be worked into the next double, because that's the equivalent of 2, so this would be the 3rd one. Make a V-stitch. So evenly space your V-stitches down this side. I'll go ahead and do that. And that's how it will look with your first row. And now we'll work the 2nd row. Okay, I've turned my work and I'm going to work back this way. I'm going to single crochet in the first V-stitch. And in the next V-stitch, I'm going to make double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of the double crochet, and chain 1. I'm going to repeat that 5 times. So this is number 1. So double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, chain 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to do 2 more. Double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, chain 1. 1 more. Double, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. So there you have 5 double crochets with a chain 3 picot on the end. Single crochet in the next V-stitch. Okay, so in the next one I'm going to make my 5 double crochets. So 1, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 1. I'm going to go ahead and complete these 5. And single crochet in the next stitch. And that's how that looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete the rest of the row, and then I'll come back and show you how that looks. And there you have the finished border in just 2 rows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Click the link below for lots more borders and edgings.